So here is a moving carving I've done, just finished. And it's a little girl on a swing. And I just finished this today. I was packing up and leaving, but I wanted to take a quick video of her swinging. It's spooky and beautiful all at once. And these are the pillars holding up a cedar post. There's vines all around. Going behind her. She's got braids. And here's my signature. Look for the bee on every carving to see if it's mine. And she's almost done swinging. And there's a wizard I did over there too. And I'll take you to another carving I did. Mother Nature. And a robin laid a nest in her hands. But the birds are gone now. Isn't she beautiful?